Hey guys, welcome to Cooking, and today we are making very simple, very easy to make Dum Aloo. It's very simple guys, you can make it in few minutes. So let's get started. Here I'm taking a bowl with little water. I'm going to add coriander powder to it, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder and little bit of turmeric. Add 2 tablespoons of fennel powder. Mix it well and keep it aside. I have taken your baby boiled potatoes and I've peeled them. You can make some holes in it so that the masala can go inside it. Here I'm using fork. You can use a toothpick also to make the holes. That will be very easy. Now take a pan with some oil in it. Please take mustard oil for it because mustard oil makes it really tasty. Add some bay leaf, some black cardamom, some black pepper, few cinnamon stick and some green cardamom. Add some jeera to it and mix it. Now add the paste to it. Cook the paste. Once you think the paste has been cooked, add some dahi or yogurt to it. Add at least a half cup of yogurt. Now mix it vigorously. Once you get a boil, add some salt to it and mix it again. You need to mix it until you get a nice paste kind of thing. Once you get a nice boil, add in the potatoes and mix it well and give it a boil again. Add some kasuri methi and mix it again. Once your gravy is thickened, you can thicken the gravy according to your taste buds, how you want it. So this much thick gravy is enough for me, and I'm going to add some cilantro and sprinkle some fennel powder and some garam masala on it. Mix it again and enjoy. You're super simple, super easy, and when you have guests at home, you can make it in few minutes and it is really delicious. So enjoy guys. Do try it on and do let me know how it turned out. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.